Argumentative essay is the most widespread academic assignment despite the course or discipline. But how to be really argumentative? How to construct a strong argument and get the approval of your professor? What are the main components of any argumentative paper? This video will give you all the answers. Hey guys, this is Eleonora from essaydigital.com. A good argumentative essay must convey a strong and logical position on a topic. How? Let's begin. Prepare an argument by doing the following. Analyze the topic of your argument. Read relevant research. Based on this, decide what you want to show. Transfer your topic into a problem statement. Frame a situation that is debatable. Choose one central statement of the paper. And prepare at least 3-4 evidences based on credible scientific sources. Here is the components of argument. To develop an argument, you should use a claim, reason, evidence, warrant, and response. Add the counter-argument. Your argumentative essay should reflect contrast, so add a counter-argument. This means an opposing position on your topic. Structure. Start your essay with a hook sentence related to your topic. Grab your professor's attention with a contradictory or interesting claim. Present your argument as a thesis statement, the last sentence of your introduction. Make it specific and debatable. And write a topic sentence for each paragraph. You can use one evidence for one topic sentence. So, each paragraph should be logically connected to the main argument. Remember guys, the purpose of argumentative essay is to convince the reader that your point of view is valid. Use a specific vocabulary to achieve this goal. Here is the table of words to use in argumentative essay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Do you have your own secrets how to be argumentative? Share your opinion in comments. Subscribe to our channel so as not to miss new tutorials, and do not forget about likes.